Real life is in the society of Krishna. Bhaktivinoda Thakur therefore said, Krishner sangsar karo chhari onas. If you enter into the society, friendship and love of Krishna, that is perfection of that. Not in this false, Bhumi Rapanalabai. They are separated energy. This is also made by the Krishna's energy. But it is separate, reflection. False reflection, chayeva. Chayeva means just like shadow. Just like you see your face in the mirror. But it is not actually the face. It is simply the face is here and the shadow is there. Similarly, this material world made of bhumi, rapa, anala, vayu, bhangamana, buddhi, they are just like reflection of the real life in the spiritual world. Therefore it is called separated energy. Why Krishna says? Krishna says here that bhinna, bhinna means separate. The example I have already, sometimes I give, just like I speak in the tape recorder. When you replay the tape recorder, the same voice will come. But that is not myself. That is my separated energy. With my energy I have spoken something, I have vibrated some sound that is recorded in the tape. When it is played back, it produces exactly the same sound, but still it is separated from. Try to understand, this material world is like that. Bhinna, separate. The real life is in the spiritual world. Therefore in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is said, Sattam Param Dhimai. The real truth, the absolute truth, I am offering my obeisance to the absolute truth. So Krishna is the absolute truth. Krishna is explaining himself. If we want to understand Krishna, then instead of speculating about Krishna, better take what Krishna is teaching himself. That will be perfect. So the real understanding of Krishna, that this material world is also Krishna. But we do not know how to use it for Krishna. If you take to that process, Krishna's energy should be for Krishna's purpose. That is Vaishnava philosophy. Vaishnava philosophy never says that this world is false. Why it is false? It is not false. As the Mayavadi philosopher says, that Brahma Sattva Jagan Mithya. No. Why Jagan Mithya? Just like this temple is constructed, if somebody says, yes, it is very nicely constructed, but it is all false, shall I be happy? No. And actually why it is false? It is not false. It is Krishna's energy, the Bhumi Rapa Vayu. What is this temple? This temple is combination of this Bhumi Rapa Vayu. Tejo Bharimit Vinimayam. This brick, what is this brick? Brick means you take earth, mix with water and put it into the fire, it becomes brick. And there is air. So, it is Krishna's energy. It is not material. It is Krishna's energy. Because the philosophy is that Krishna's energy should be used for Krishna's purpose. Then it is spiritual. That is our philosophy. Srila Rupa Goswami gives this formula. Prapanchikataya buddhya hari sambandhi vastuna mumukshubhi parityaga phalgu vairagya kat. Phalgu vairagya, phalgu means false. False. The Phalgu from river Phalgu. Here in India there is a river Phalgu. You will see that there is no water on the surface of the river. But if you push your hand within the sand, you'll get water. So Phalgu Vairagya means that I am giving up, renouncing everything superficially. But within me there is a desire how to become God. I am giving up, but I cannot give up this desire. There is big philosophy on this point. They are trying to become one with God. But a devotee does not try to become one with God or separated from God. They are satisfied in whatever condition God keeps him, he is satisfied. So, separated energy, in this way you have to understand that although this energy is separated from Krishna, it can be used for Krishna. And when it is used for Krishna, then it is spiritual. It is no more material. Material means forgetfulness. Karmis are constructing big houses, skyscraper houses. The purpose is to enjoy himself. The same thing, Bhumi Rapan or Vayu, mixing together brick or stone or cement. If it is used for Krishna, then it is Yukta Vairagya. Anasaktasya Vishayar Jatharam Upajanjata Nidbandi Krishna Sambandha Yukta Vairagya Muchyate. Our philosophy is that although this material world, Bhumi Rapan or Vayu, they are separated from Krishna, we can use it for Krishna. Just like the same example, the tape recorder, it is material, but it can be used for Krishna's purpose. We are writing books, recording in the tape recorder. That Nirbandhe Krishna Sambandha, Yukta Vairagya Muchyate. There is no need of giving up this Bhumi Rapanala Vayu, as the Mayavadi philosopher said. You can utilize, after all it is Krishna's energy. This is the best philosophy. That one man's property should be used for the proprietor. That is the best use. So, we do not neglect this Bhumi Rapa, although it is separated energy, but when we reconnect in the service of the Lord, it becomes spiritual. It requires little time to understand. The example, as we have given many times, that you put an iron rod in the fire, it becomes warm, warmer. Then when it is red hot, it is no longer iron rod, but it is fire. Similarly, everything in this material world, Bhumi Rapa Analabhaya, although it is separated from Krishna, if you engage it in the service of Krishna, it is no more material, it is spiritual. This is the philosophy of Vaishnavas. Nirbandhe Krishna Sambandha Yukta Vairagya Muchyate. So this is Krishna consciousness. If we always remember that everything, whatever we are using, that is Krishna's energy. We are also Krishna's energy. Jiva Bhuta, that will be explained in the next part. Aparayam itastu vidhime prakritim para. Another prakriti, para prakriti. Spiritual energy. What is that? Jiva Bhuta, Mahabhava Jaidam Dharya. So, both of us, the matter is also Krishna's energy, and the spirit soul is also Krishna's energy. And there is another spiritual world, that is also Krishna's energy. Everything is Krishna's energy. So, when the spiritual energy is engaged in the service of Krishna, even this material energy, Bhumi Rapa Analabhaya, that also becomes converted into spiritual energy, exactly like that iron rod converted into fire. So it requires intelligence if you think how all things can be changed into spiritual world. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.